Hey guys, welcome to the video, and today we are going to do something that I alluded to in a previous video. So as I spoke about, we have this mirror mount here that used to host the driver's side mirror. I have since put on 2 fender mirrors, but I have left the mirror mount on as I have some plans for it. Something a little bit different, something you don't see on every vehicle. Now what I have over here is a cup holder off of a stationary bike, as well as a few basic hand tools, a bolt, a nut, and a couple of washers. And I think you guys can already see where I'm going with this. So first we had to make a couple modifications to our stationary bike cup holder. The first thing is we had to drill out this mounting hole to a larger diameter to fit the mirror mount, as well as put a piece of protective foam, because you don't want your cup holder damaging your paint. Now, this is a very common modification to older vehicles, so if you're planning on doing this, what I have here is 2 washers and a 14mm bolt and a 12mm nut. Okay, let's get this bad boy installed. Okay, and now we've got our basic hand tools. You're gonna wanna look in the repair manual for the spec, but you should be able to find it. I'm gonna go with about maybe 12 foot-pounds. Okay, she's all snugged up. Okay, well, now that we've got our external cup holder installed, we'll pack up shop and maybe go find something to put in it, maybe get a few reactions, and then go find Irvin. Okay, we're all packed up. We're gonna go get some gas, maybe go get a drink, maybe find Irvin. Maybe not in that exact order, but let's head out. Okay, just heading out of the parking lot now, and no, I have not tested this before I started filming, so if this thing goes flying off on the freeway, you guys will be the first to know. Okay, we've almost made it to the gas station and it hasn't fallen off yet. I'm definitely not terrified that it's gonna fall off though. Of course not. Man, I love Costco gas because it's cheap, but like, you pay for it with your time. I always come here 5 minutes before they close, but I wanted to gas up now before, you know, the beginning of the week starts. I'm sweating my balls off sitting here in my fishbowl with no AC right now. I mean, I want to get moving. I want the wind to blow in my face. Okay, we're on the freeway. It's still there. Let's hope it stays there. We've arrived at the Rotor Daddy himself's place. Let's check this thing out. Let's see if this... Oh yeah, she's on there. That's perfect. Oh, and it's not even touching it right now. Nice. Hey! It's perfect.
It looks sick.
Yeah, so I got the little protective foam just in case it does bump, but it's on there for sure.
Fuck yeah.
Does it look OEM too? Just as OEM as the fender mirrors?
Yeah, it definitely looks OEM.
I did a little bit where I was like installing it with basic hand tools and like torquing it to 12 foot-pounds. I was like, you gotta look in the repair manual for this, but you should be able to find it. It's a pretty common mod. Yeah, I'm thinking like we just put like a bubble tea in there, like go to the store, get some bubble tea, put it in there and like get a roller where I'm like, just like grab it, drink, put it back.
Yeah.
Okay, I just met up with Irvin and I'm kind of feeling like a bubble tea, so let's go get one. Probably just head over, go get bubble tea, mount it up, maybe find a street and then mount it up, and then do a few runs, portrait, horizontal.
Works for me.
Come back, wash your car. All right, team, roll out. Okay, you ready? Kung Fu tea.
Yeah, what are we doing?
If they're good, well, they'll sponsor me. Right? That's how it works. Did you get sponsored by them? I mean, I'm just gonna do a regular milk tea.
Yeah, I've never been here, so I'm just gonna fucking shoot from the hip.
I mean, that like,
The milk strikes look good.
yeah. Can I just get a regular milk tea with boba?
And what size would you like?
Large, please.
You gotta get a shot of throwing it in the cup holder from inside the car and stabbing the shit out of it.
I think I want to film another video like doing the same thing, but oh, it's perfect. It's absolutely perfect. It is so good. I love it so much. Okay, I'm kind of scared of it falling out, so for now we're gonna put it right where my lens usually goes, right where the 50. Ah, come on, leave me alone. Leave me alone. Yeah, something like that.
Are you just zooming in the mic?
Got the R5 mounted up on the windshield or on the side window. One suction cup.
66-pound capacity, baby.
You can hang off of it.
Oh yeah. Well, I'm too fat for that, but.
Yeah, that should work.
How's that framing?
Okay.
We're recording here.
Okay.
I'ma go get it, they waiting for blessings. I've been taking L's and I lost they lessons. To get the money, I got an obsession. If trap is a sport, then it be my profession. To tell you the truth, I don't got no confessions. I don't know why lately I feel aggression. I'ma go get it, they waiting for blessings. I keep taking L's, then I lost they lessons. And it's stupid, not ruin my session. I'm still getting money during a recession. I don't try, but somehow I be flexing, and that's probably why you're bitching on section. You can come outside without protection. You still last if you end up in second.
Okay, well, I'm probably gonna end the video here. We're gonna wash up the whips and then head to a car meet and display the brand new cup holder mod that you guys just watched me install. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like and subscribe. That's it. Peace.